Hello and welcome to Frugal Gourmet Anime, hosted by Larry Hussey, and that is myself. Today we're going to do pulled pork. So, first you need to buy pork chops, and then you need a boiling pot of water, and then you put the pork chops, maybe one at a time, in the boiling pot of water. And you boil the pork chops, however many pork chops that you have, and then you drain the boiling water. You do not use the boiling water as a broth. You let the pork chops cool, and then with your hands you literally pull apart the pork chops into pulled pork and put it in a bowl and enjoy it as a sandwich or however you want. Thank you.